mga lumulupyo sa inubulan, diin hugot ang ilang suporta sa pagsaulog sa among barangay fiesta. Nagapasalamat usab kami sa among mahal nga patron, ang inahan sa kanunay nga panabang. Labaw sa tanan sa mga kandidata nga mo'y naghatag bulok o kalipay sa among fiesta. Kaninyong tanan, salamat and kudos inubulan.
I am very blessed and honored as your Miss Inubulan 2026. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the people behind this very successful event, especially to our Miss Capitana. Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your effort. And especially to our panel of judges, to Sir Kuya Sep. Thank you sa patience. Thank you sa imong sacrifices and bisan pa man og grabe kami kabadlongon but you still give us a chance to improve ourselves. Thank you also to God, especially to God. Thank you. And to my family, friends, supporters, thank you.
First of all, I want to thank our barangay captain, Kapitan Levi Rahaltan, for making this event possible. And I also want to thank my family and friends who made time to come here to watch me here in Miss Inubulan 2026. Thank you.